sometimes you have to hire extra people, you have to hire third parties, but if you automate some of those processes, you can get rid of some of that backlog by automation as well. Hi, Therese with Agency Performance Partners here to talk to you about abolishing insurance agency backlog. How do we abolish it? First of all, we all remember the times when those coworkers or somebody we knew had a big stack of papers on their desk. That day and age is gone. We used to be able to tell how much backlog someone had by looking at their desk. But nowadays, since we've become a society of technology, we're using management systems, we're using a lot of technology. Number one, we shouldn't be using notebooks or paper anymore because it's wasteful and because it just isn't as efficient. If we have it all in the system, we know where everything is, and everybody in the agency can actually handle things when it's in the management system. First of all, you've got activities in the system. Now, some people may think that that's no longer trackable because it's in the system, but one of the things that APP is really good at is doing dashboards and showing agencies how much backlog they have on activities and tasks. The issue is, does your agency really want to hide that? Because they shouldn't want to hide it because it can cause so many problems for the agency. It can actually make the overhead of the agency higher because you need to hire more staff, you need to have more training. It just can cause major issues for an agency. So it's good to know how much activity and backlog you have. Now, it can be caused by anything. It could be caused by the fact that there was a natural disaster over the weekend and there's a ton of claims. Or it could be caused by just not having efficient processes in your agency that allow people to do things in a certain way, or everybody to do things in a certain way. So they follow the steps and the processes and procedures so things are done efficiently. So it's possible that things aren't being done efficiently because you don't have the processes and procedures. And that's what APP is here for you for. We help agencies, we assess the agency, we help look at processes and procedures, how the agency is working efficiently or not. We talk about retention, how to retain, not only how to sell, but also how to retain business that you already have. We come into the agencies, we can do it virtual, we can do it live, but we work on how do we abolish this backlog. Again, the causes could, be lots of claims. It could be people, processes and procedures not getting through it quick enough. There's so many things that can also cause some crazy issues in an agency, like problems with claims because they weren't reported quick enough or problematic enough. Not problematic, but they just weren't given to the carriers, or somebody didn't call something in, or there were some details missing. So you have to be careful with that backlog with claims because it can also cause E&Os for your agency. It can cause problems with quotes. If one of your staff members is backlogged and they're not getting to quotes quick enough, you're losing business by them not taking care of those quotes quickly. So prioritizing the tasks that need to be done quickly and deciding what those are as an agency, as a whole, not just as a certain person or the CEO, but getting the staff involved in the process of actually coming up with the processes and procedures for getting rid of the insurance agency backlog. Because sometimes you have to hire extra people, you have to hire third parties, but if you automate some of those processes, you can get rid of some of that backlog by automation as well. So we hope that you have thought about your insurance agency backlog, the tasks, the activities that aren't getting done, and hopefully the blog will help you understand and give you different steps on how to abolish it. We hope you enjoyed this solo podcast. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Agency Performance Partners. You can find us at agencyperformancepartners.com. You can email me at Therese@agencyperformancepartners.com. But we're here to help insurance agencies grow, retain, and abolish the insurance agency backlog. Thanks so much. Have a great day.